guys, welcome to part 3 of our 3-part series on the best tools to keep your teeth clean. If you haven't checked out part 1, that was on toothbrushing, go check that out, and part 2 on flossing, have a look at that as well. So part 3 is on interdental brushes, okay? So, what are interdental brushes? They are little kind of bottle brushes that we can use to clean between our teeth. So just like floss, they are a tool for cleaning between our teeth, which is a very difficult to reach area for the toothbrush. So who would benefit from using interdental brushes? These are really great tools for lots of people. So if you have a dental implant, this is the best thing to use to clean between your tooth that has the implant. And the reason for that, if you check out the part 2 on flossing, is that if you floss around your implant, the little fibers from the floss can actually dislodge, get stuck in the gum and cause inflammation around your implant. So the safest thing to use to clean around an implant is an interdental brush. So if you've got an implant, they're great to use. If you have a dental bridge, which is where 2 teeth or more are connected and the floss can't actually go up between the teeth, the interdental brush is the perfect little tool to get between and around your bridge. If you have an implant, if you have a bridge, these are great. Thirdly, if you are someone who often gets food stuck between your teeth and the floss just doesn't get it out, then interdental brushes are great for you as well. So these are a lot broader than floss, and the little bristles can spread out into all the little grooves and any irregularities in the sides of the teeth and clean out any plaque or food that is getting stuck between your teeth. So if you have an implant, great. If you have a bridge, great. If food is getting stuck, great. Also, if you are someone who has experienced lots of fillings that have gone between your teeth, interdental brushes are also great for you. The reason for that is that anywhere you have a filling that goes between your tooth, that join line where the filling meets the tooth, it's never going to be completely smooth. There's always going to be a tiny little seam in there. And the floss will just skip straight over that seam. Whereas the little brushes on the interdental brush will get right in there. And I'll show you a technique that's going to help prevent getting any more cavities between your teeth, okay? So lastly, interdental brushes are great for people who have gum disease, which is known as periodontal disease or disease of the supporting structures of the teeth. The reason for that is that often when you have gum disease, the floss does not adequately clean the large space that is created between the teeth. Because again, floss is very thin and is a great tool if your gums are nice and healthy, but if your gums are, have been affected by gum disease and the attachment of your gum to your tooth is not nice and tight anymore, and you end up with larger gaps between your teeth, then these little brushes come in all different sizes. So these ones here are quite small, and this one here is a bit bigger. So you can get different sizes to suit exactly the size between your teeth, okay? Because when you have experienced gum disease and there is more of your tooth exposed, so more of a surface area between your tooth, it's really important that you are able to clean off all that plaque, because as we found out in parts 1 and part 2, the plaque is what causes cavities between your teeth, and the plaque is also what makes the gum disease not get better. So the more plaque you can remove, the better off your mouth is going to be.